Hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to Enter Business. I hope you find the uploaded videos very useful. If anyone missed the videos, please watch the previous videos. It is in the iCard. So today we are going to look at the subject Merchant Banking and Financial Services. It's a subject for those who have taken the financial management as a specialization. Once again, I remind you, it's not enough for the exam. It's just a model MCQ. So you must go through so many sources available on the network. Okay. Now we are going to look at the syllabus of this. So this is what the syllabus of Merchant Banking and Financial Services. The first chapter is Introduction. It contains an overview of Indian financial system, merchant banking in India, recent developments and challenges ahead, merchant banking services offered by banks, MBFCs offering merchant banking, banking system, types of banks, payment banking, legal and regulatory framework, relevant provisions of Companies Act, SARA-SEBI guidelines, FEMA, etc., relation with stock market and OTCI. And the next chapter is issue management. It contains role of merchant banker in appraisal of projects, designing capital structure and instruments, and issue pricing, book building, preparation of prospects, selection of bankers, advertising, consultants, etc. Role of registrars, bankers to the issue, underwriters and brokers offer for the sale, green show option, EIPO, private placement, bought out deals, placement with FICs, MFS, FIIs, etc. of show issues, issue marketing, advertising strategies, NRI marketing, post-issue activities. And the next unit is about other fee-based services. It contains mergers and acquisitions, portfolio management services, credit syndication, credit rating, mutual funds, business valuation. And Unit 4 is about fund-based financial services. It contains leasing and hire purchasing, basis of leasing and hire purchasing, financial evaluation. And the last chapter is other fund-based financial services. It contains consumer credit, credit cards, real estate financing, bills discounting, factoring and forfeiting, venture capital, venture debt funds, startup financing. So these are the merchant banking and financial services syllabus. Before that, I have to say one thing. This is very important subject and little bit difficult to study. So it should understand well and study well before write the exam. So I gave this subject here now because if any student doesn't know this subject, then understand it and learn to make MCQs accordingly. Let's move to 30 MCQs. The first question is, a merchant bank is a financial institution conducting money market activities and what? Option A, lending. Option B, underwriting and financial advice. Option C, investment service. Option D, all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. And the next one is, in India, merchant banking along with the management of public issues and non-syndication covering activities like, first one, credit counseling, 2, portfolio management, 3, investment counseling, fourth one, mergers and amalgamation of the corporate firms, and last one, securities and exchange.
From these options, we should find the correct activities. So, option A says that 1, 2, 4, 5 are the correct activities. B says that 1, 2, 3, 5 are the correct activities. C says that 1, 2, 3, 4 are the correct activities. And D says that 2, 3, 4, 5 are the correct activities. So, let's know the which one is the correct one? So the correct answer is option C, 1, 2, 3, 4. So project counseling, portfolio management, investment counseling, mergers and amalgamation of the corporate firms.
And the next one is former merchant banking activity in India was originated in dash. Find the year. Option A 1978, option B 1969, option C 1769, option D 1987. The correct answer is 1969. Next question is, in India, merchant banking activity was originated with the merchant banking division set up by the dash. Option A, Barclays Bank. Option B, Greenlights Bank. Option C, Yes Bank. Option D, none of the above. So the correct answer is option B, Greenlights Bank. And the next one is, State Bank of India started merchant banking in dash followed by ICICI in dash. So we should find the two correct years. Option A 1972 and 1974. Option B 1978 and 1980. Option C 1973 and 1974. Option D 1980 and 1981. So the correct answer is option C 1973 and 1974. Next one is, the early growth of merchant banking in the country is assigned to the what? Option A FEMA, option B Foreign Exchange Regulation Act 1973, option C Securities Contract Act, option D Income Tax Act. The correct answer is option B Foreign Exchange Regulations Act 1973. And the next one is, developmental activities of merchant banking. Option A, source of funds forever. Option B, expanding industry and trade. Option C, leaving a widening gap bridged between supply and demand of investable funds. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. And the next one is, different enactments for raising funds from the capital market. First one, Companies Act. Second one, Income Tax Act. Third one, Foreign Exchange Regulations Act. Fourth one, Securities Contract Act. And fifth one, Corporate Laws and Regulations. So we should find the correct enactments from these options. Option A says that 1, 2, 4 and 5 are the correct acts. Option B says that 2, 3, 4, 5 are the correct one. And C says that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these are the correct answers. Option D says that 2, 3, 4 are the enactments. The correct answer is option C. So all of these are the different enactments for raising funds from the capital market. And the next one is, the term merchant bank is used in option A United States, option B United Kingdom, option C America, option D India. The correct answer is option B United Kingdom. And the next one is, in India, merchant banks operate in the form of divisions of India and foreign banks and financial institutions, subsidiary companies established by, first one, SBI Capital Markets Limited. Second one, Bank Financial Services Limited. 3, PNB Capital Services Limited. Fourth one, BOI Finance Limited. And fifth one, Indian Bank Merchant Banking Services Limited. Option A 1, 2, 4, 5. Option B 2, 3, 4, 5. Option C all the above options. Option D 1, 3, 4, 5. The correct one is all of the above. Option C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the next one is, banks implement the RBI's dash policies. Which policies? Option A monetary, option B credit, option C commercial, option D both A and B. The correct answer is option D, both A and B. So monetary and credit policies. And the next one, dash is basically a savings and investment corporation. Option A UTI, option B IDBI, option C SBI, option D RBI. The correct answer is option A UTI. And the next one is secondary markets in treasury bills require involvement of dash and dash. Option A brokers, dealers, option B buyers, sellers, option C consumer producer, option D all of the above. The correct answer is brokers and dealers. The next question is the criteria for authorization of merchant bankers includes the first one, professional qualification in finance, law or business management. 2. Infrastructure like adequate office space, equipment and manpower. 3. Employment of 2 persons who have the experience to conduct business of merchant bankers. Fourth one, capital adequacy. Fifth one, past track record, experience, general expectations and fairness in all transactions. Option A, 1, 2, 4, 5 are true. Option B says that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the above are true. Option C says that 2, 3, 4, 5 are only the true options. Option D says that none of the above. The correct answer is option B, all of the above are true. And the next question, issue management is an important function of dash and dash. Option A, merchant banker, lead manager. Option B, public banker, merchant banker. Option C, lead banker, private banking. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, merchant banker and lead manager. And the next one is, in simple terms, the management of issues for raising funds through various types of instruments by companies is known as what? Option A, lead management. Option B, merchant banking. Option C, issue management. Option D, public issue management. The correct answer is issue management, option C. The next one is categories of securities issue. Option A, public issue. Option B, right issue. Option C, private placement. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. And the next one is private placement covers option A, shares, option B, preference shares, option C, debentures, option D, all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. So private placement covers both shares, preference shares and also debentures. And the next one is equity funding is preferable especially when the project is what? Option A, fund intensive. Option B, finance intensive. Option C, capital intensive. Option D, application intensive. The correct answer is option C, capital intensive. And the next one is the dash has to manage the post-issue activities. Option A, merchant banker. Option B, lead manager. Option C, bank promoter. Option D, all of the above. So, the correct answer is option B, lead manager has to manage the post-issue activities. And the next one is, it is a process by which a demand for the securities proposed to be issued by a body corporate is elicited. Option A, book building. Option B, share certificate. Option C, promoter issue. Option D, circular. The correct answer is book building. And the next one is financial services through the network of elements such as dash serve the needs of individuals, institutions, and corporate. So we must fill in the blanks. Option A, financial institutions. Option B, financial markets. Option C, financial instruments. Option D, all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. So financial institution, financial markets, and financial instruments. And the next one is dash is regarded as the fourth elements of financial system. Option A, financial services. Option B, financial markets. Option C, financial instruments. Option D, financial institutions. The correct answer is option A, financial services. The next question is objectives of financial services. So from these options, we should find which one is the objectives of financial services. The first one, fundraising. Second one, funds deployment. Third one, specialized services. Fourth one, regulation. Fifth one, economic growth. So the first option A says that 1, 2, 4, 5 are the objective of financial services. B says that only 2, 3, 4, 5 are the objective of financial services. Option C says that all of these are the objectives of financial services. And D says that 1, 3, 4, 5 are the objective of financial services. So the correct answer is option C. So all these are the objectives of financial services. Question is chief characteristics of financial services. It is just the same question. Option A, 1, 2, 3. So intangibility, customer orientation, inseparability are the chief characteristics of financial services. Option B says that 2, 3, 4, which means customer orientation, inseparability, and dynamism is the characteristics of financial services. And C says that intangibility, inseparability, and dynamism is only the characteristics of financial services. And D says that 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are the characteristics of financial services. And the correct answer is option D. All these are the characteristics of financial services. And the next one is factors affecting assigned rating. Option A, the character and terms of a particular security being issued. Option B, the probability that the issuer will default the security and the ability and willingness of the issuer to make timely payments. Option C, the degree of protection extended to investors if the securities are liquidated, reorganized, and or if the organization declares bankruptcy. And D, all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. And let's move to the next question. Identify the benefits of credit rating to investors. First one, safeguard against bankruptcy. 2, lower cost of borrowing. 3, savings of resources. Fourth one, reduction of cost in public issues. Fifth one, credibility of issues. And sixth one, wider audience for borrowing. Option A, 1, 3, 5. Option B, 2, 4, 6. Option C, 1, 4, 5, 6. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option A, 1, 3, 5. So only safeguard against bankruptcy and saving of resources, credibility of issues. Only these three are the benefit of credit rating to investors in the given options. And the next one is the term dash is defined as a central location for keeping securities on deposit. Option A, depository. Option B, instrument. Option C, institutions. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is depository. The next one is the principal instruments of the organized money market. First one, the call money market. Second one, the repo market. Third one, the treasury bill market. And fourth one, commercial bill market. And fifth one, certificate of deposit market. And sixth one, commercial papers market. And seventh one, money market mutual funds. Option A 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. Option B 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Option C 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. And D all of these above.
The correct one is option D. All of the above are the principal instruments of organized money market.
And the next one is any change in flow of funds and the demand of them is clearly reflected in what? Option A call money market, option B money market, option C repo market, option D commercial bill market. The correct answer is call money market.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like the video and also share to your friends. Also, if you have any comments about this video, please comment in the comment box on whether it is beneficial or not. And also comment on the subject you want like this. This is the kind of videos that comes on this channel. If you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe it and also hit the bell icon too. Then only you get all new video notifications. Thank you.